Okay, everybody, here we are with a special gluten-free broccoli pasta and cheese with crispy Parmesan chickpeas. Okay, I did not have Parmesan cheese. I have mozzarella, so we're going to improvise. Okay. So this is what the box will look like. Thank you to Suli. Suli gave me this, and we're gonna try the recipe that it brings in the back. At the end of the video, I'll take a picture of the recipe and put it at the end of the video. First of all, you have to do, it says here, you have to preheat the oven at 400 degrees. I already did that, and I have all the ingredients here. It calls for 1 can of 15.5 ounces of chickpeas, garbanzo beans, rinsed. Okay, I have them here already. I didn't buy a can. I buy them in these bottles, and this bottle brings 14 ounces. 14 ounces. So that's what we're gonna use. Now the next ingredient is 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. Here we have the garlic powder. 2 tablespoons of olive oil divided. So I guess it's 1 tablespoon now and another tablespoon later. Okay, olive oil. 1/3 cup of grated Parmesan cheese. Like I said, I didn't buy the Parmesan cheese. And I have mozzarella. So we're going to use mozzarella. I don't know what the difference is going to make, but that's what we're going to use. And then this entire package is 12 ounces. And it's called Kraft Mac and Cheese Deluxe. Gluten-free original cheddar. This brings a sauce inside. I'm going to show you right now. And you're also going to need 2 cups of small broccoli florets and 1 cup of cherry tomatoes quartered. Okay, so this is what they look like. This is the package that it... Don't say bad words. I'm the one that says bad words here. Okay, so this is the sauce that it brings inside the package, and this is what they look like. Okay, they're little macaronis. Now, what I do is, first of all, the oven is preheating. I already washed the garbanzo beans, and I took away whatever loose skin they had. I took them off. Now, I'm gonna get this bowl. Make sure you have like a medium bowl. It says here. Put the garbanzos in here, and put... Oh no, wait! I gotta dry them. Yeah, it says to dry them. Okay, I have this baking sheet with parchment paper on it, and I'm gonna put it here and dry them. Yeah, let me get another paper. Yeah, this one's already wet. Still losing the skin. Yeah, thank you. So this is gonna be better than this. Yeah, perfect. Thank you. Welcome. I'm just gonna turn the parchment paper around. I'm not even gonna put another. Now we put 1 tablespoon of the olive oil, and this I'm just gonna eyeball it. I'm not even going to measure. Okay, 1 tablespoon, and garlic powder. We're just gonna make it garlicky. Make it garlicky.
Yeah, they become crunchy in the oven.
Yeah, so let's put more. Let's put more garlic.
It's a very good snack too.
They're very healthy.
I guess that replaces the meat.
Yeah, because it doesn't. This recipe doesn't take meat, but I don't think it needs it. It's a vegetarian. Okay, the oven is preheated, so we're ready. We're gonna put them here. Am I thinking? Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna put them here. They're gonna be wet, so I'm gonna lay them out here. And spread them. Spread them out like this, and they smell really good. Now we're gonna put them in the oven for 25 minutes at 400. Timer 25 minutes. In the meantime, now we're gonna cook the pasta, the little macaronis. So let's turn on the stove, and this requires 6 cups of water. 6 cups of water. Cook 8 to 10 minutes or until tender. Do not drink. Okay, so it doesn't say I don't have to wait till the water is more boiling. I can just add it right now. Let's put this to the side. Okay, let's put that to the side. Drain. Okay. There we go. I have half of a little container of cherry tomatoes, and I'm gonna cut them in, what does it say, in quarters? Yeah, in quarters. In quarters, I'm gonna cut it. I already have them washed. And the recipe says that about 3 minutes before the pasta is ready to throw in the broccoli. So they don't really have to cook, they just have to defrost. So that's what we're doing now. And I think I'm gonna put the entire package. It's not a lot.
That's smart.
Yeah, we love broccoli.
No, but that's smart. You don't have to dirty another pan.
I know, exactly, yeah. Let me just stir a little. There. Okay, so it's been, how long has it been? Pasta has been cooking for about 8 minutes. 8-9 minutes. Okay, so now we're gonna drain the water. We're gonna put it back in the pot here, and we're gonna add this. There. Okay, so now we add the sauce. Hope I'm not missing any steps. Let me go back. Actually, what it is just cheese. It looks like cheese.
Yeah, that's what
Yeah, that's the sauce.
it's just more.
Let me lower that thing. Actually, I'm gonna turn off the stove. Let me mix it. I turned off the stove because it's getting stuck to the bottom. I also have to add the tomatoes now. The tomatoes we add now. And let's just mix it. Let's just mix everything together. This makes a portion which is not too big. Makes a small portion, like for a couple of people. But we need to make a bigger portion. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add this one. I'm going to boil this, the tricolor rotini. Okay, let me put this to the side because I'm going to boil these and put some in there. I'm gonna add whatever I have here. Parmesan cheese. It's not a lot. I'm gonna add it to it. Okay, and I also have to drizzle. It says the other tablespoon of olive oil. Like I said, I'm gonna add additional pasta because it doesn't bring a lot of pasta, and we're eating four. So yeah. Okay, pray about it. And I'm gonna sprinkle. You can make these garbanzo for anything. I mean, add it to a salad or whatever. ¿Tú vienes a golosear?
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Hey man, hey, we didn't want that. Like,
Dime si es tan crunchy. Think we
is
got
it hot?
it could be. I'm gonna put it 15 more minutes. It says in the box, it says 15 to 20 more minutes. We're just gonna put it 15 more minutes.
I didn't put it.
Back in the oven, we're gonna put 15 more minutes. Okay, so I put this extra pasta to cook because we're gonna add more pasta to that. And I'm gonna drain the extra pasta that I cooked, the rotini tricolor. The chickpeas are ready, but let's throw this in here first. Oh man. You can bet I'm gonna make these garbanzos for another recipe.
Cheese now.
And I'm gonna add more cheese. I'm gonna add this cheese. Okay. A lot of cheese. And then we're just going to move it around. Yeah, let me put more cheese. Let that cheese melt in there. Wow. Let's put the garbanzos now. So let's just put them in here. Wow. Cheesy. Hey! It's finished. I put it in this dish and add the garbanzos in there. I should have put the garbanzos on top, but I think it looks delicious. And we're gonna try it now. And please don't forget to like, subscribe, and until the next time, may God bless you and keep you safe. Bye bye.